Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and today's topic is Be the Neutral Observer. We are entering this period of ascension where neutrality is very, very important. The idea that you take one event and you've got 3, 4 different people with different takes on it. They've shown that in physics experiments that it's the observer that puts an energy on to the event or the experiment, and that's what'll happen. So look at life right now, where we're at, with as much neutrality as possible. Our intuition, the work we do with pendulum, comes from the superconscious mind, which should be free of any belief systems. You have not lived and not picked up belief systems from your parents, from the church, from the schools, from work, from your friends. We all have belief systems, and they filter what we see and do and expect. So be the neutral observer as much as possible. It's hard because we're also human, and not easy, and it will not get easier. We're in this destruction phase of ascension, and gotta be as neutral as possible, and find your testing, do what you can. If you're doing like pendulum dowsing, say about healthcare, about yourself or a loved one, there's no way you're going to be neutral. Find somebody else to do it. Have your pendulum buddy lined up. Have someone else lined up that you can talk to, have them test. Sometimes you don't even want to tell them what the question is. Just say, I have a question in my mind. Is the answer yes or no? Cancer, no cancer. You don't even tell them the cancer word. And they can give you a totally neutral take on what's just come up. Be the neutral observer as much as possible these days. It's critical. It'll help you keep your sanity. We don't know why things have to happen. Bad things have to happen to people. Be neutral. Be neutral. Be neutral. Be neutral. And if you like the topic, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or something in particular you'd like to hear about. And in the meantime, stay neutral.